The Hayward AquaNaut 400 cleaner is designed with an exclusive four-wheel drive system, providing exceptional power, traction, and stability for cleaning in-ground pools of various types. Its innovative V-Flex technology, featuring self-adjusting variable vanes, enhances suction power and effectively prevents clogs, making it a reliable choice for pool maintenance. With multiple pre-programmed steering sequences, this cleaner ensures thorough end-to-end coverage, including efficient cleaning of pool walls. The patented rugged tire treads offer superior climbing power and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate smoothly over surfaces such as concrete, gunite, vinyl, fiberglass, tile, and pebble. An advanced design optimizes flow performance, making the AquaNaut 400 an ideal match for variable speed pumps, thereby enhancing its cleaning efficiency. Capable of handling larger pools up to 20 by 40 feet, this cleaner provides comprehensive corner-to-corner cleaning without getting clogged or stuck.